spending the weekend at my mom and dad's in Minnesota for the Easter weekend. To get like bad weather, like snow and stuff like that. It's really nice outside right now. So we have the kids out. We're trying to spend a little bit of time outside while it's still nice out. So come spend it with us. Snowman. This is actually the first snowman we've been able to build this year, so better late than never. Are you eating snow?
Yeah.
Get that.
Do you make it over here?
Yeah, we'll make it bigger. Okay, we're taking a little warm-up break, but this is what we have so far. Oh. Are you having fun in the snow? Oh no! Okay, this is where we're at now. We're like an hour and 10 minutes into being outside. Spent basically the entire time building this fort outside. It was an hour and 20 minutes outside, so that's awesome.